My name is Yume McPhail, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Weequal School, a project-based, self-directed virtual learning platform. In this video, I'll be talking more about Python and walk you through the next 5 things in my curriculum. If you haven't already, please take a look at my first Getting Started with Python video. So as I covered before in my last video, you can download Python in this Getting Started tab. This document is just what I wrote out with a lot of different Python things, and I will leave the link in the description below. So in this Getting Started page, you can download Python, and we have our online code editor, which I'm going to open. This is my project from the last video. What we learned is the first 5 things: printing integers, variables, lists, and strings, the input function, indexes, and printing with plus signs. In this video, we'll cover len, append, del, if and else statements, and ellipse statements. So the first thing is len, which relates to lists, and it basically just gets the length of a list and how many pieces of data is within that list. So let's say we have something called list1 equals has 7 pieces of data. Then we can say print list1, not list2, and we can say len, and then put list1 into parentheses, and then that will print how many pieces of data is within list1. So if we run this, then it says 7. And that's how many pieces of data is within this. The next thing is the append function, which allows you to add things to a list. So let's just take this example where we have a list, and within that list we have an M and obviously we need a Y in order for this to be completed. And so after this, let's just print monkey, and then over here we can say monkey.append y. So append y, and then we will print monkey again. So let's do that. And so as you can see, we have monkey without the y, and then after we appended it, then we have monkey with a y. And so the next thing is the del, which allows you to delete things from a list. And so let's say we have monkey, but monkey has a y, and it also has a random 8. So let's say del, then we have our list name, which is monkey, and then we'll have the index, and that is going to be, the index will be 6. Oops, 6, there we go. So if I run this, okay, well then after we have this, then we need to have a print statement that prints monkey again. So after this monkey, we're going to print it. And this is just important to print it to make sure that it's outputting the right thing. The first print statement, we have monkey with this 8, and then the second one, we do not have the 8. Okay, so the next thing is if and else statements, and this is something that is used in pretty much all other programming languages as well, just the syntax is different. And so basically, if and else statements is something where depending on the scenario, you want to do different things. So let's say we're gonna use an input statement from my previous video, where let's print, hi, what is your name? And then we're gonna have name equals input, and we're gonna allow people to input their name. And then we're gonna print, hello, name, would you like a apple or banana? And so then we're going to say fruit is going to equal input. And then depending on whether or not they have an apple or banana, then we want to print different things. So let's say if fruit, so this is whatever they input, equals apple, we're going to print, here is your apple. And then else, which means if we put in anything else other than apple, then we're going to say print, here is your banana. And so let's run this. Hi, what is your name? Sume. Hello, Sume. Would you like an apple or banana? Say apple, and it says here is your apple. And if we were to run this again and I were to say banana, then it would say here's your banana. With this, there's an issue, because if we were to just say apple with an uppercase letter, then it would say here's your banana, because if we say anything other than apple with all lowercase, then it's going to print here's your banana, which is where we need an elif statement. And basically what an elif statement is when you want multiple if statements, and there's more than just two scenarios. So let's say elif fruit equals apple with an uppercase A, then print here's your apple. Okay, so now let's run it. Sume, hello Sume, would you like an apple or banana? And then if I say apple with an uppercase, then it still says here is your apple. For more information about Wequil School, you can go to wequil.school, wequil.school. Wequil School teaches a Python class every Monday through Thursday at 9 a.m. And if you would like to join, you can fill out an application in the front page of our website. Thank you for watching.